You are going to love the 2014 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. Come see the car for yourself.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.